Welcome to Pulse of Geography. This is Professor PR. Here we are going to start a new channel, videos on demand series. How the channel works? What is video on demand? It works based on the demand based knowledge transfer. What is demand based knowledge transfer? It fulfills the demand of candidates who are preparing for various competitive examinations and general viewers. This is demand based, that is why it's called as a demand based knowledge transfer. How it works? We'll see a small flow chart. There are some of the candidates, they are preparing for their competitive examinations conducted by UPSC, TNPSC and UGC, like that. During their course of preparation, they come across some doubts. They need more clarification. Here we are in the scene. Now the candidates, they can send their doubts to us. So our duty is to prepare a detailed video on that and we post it in our channel. Now the students can view the channel and they can clear their doubts. They can move on to the redirection. So this is called demand based knowledge transfer. So here we will not post whatever we know it, but we post whatever you need it. This is because you are here and your success is here. There is a gap between you and your success. So we bridge that gap. So we bridge the gap between you and your success. So finally you can reach your destination successfully. What are the titles to be covered? The topics and question analysis on optional geography for UPSC Civil Service Mains examination. Here paper 1 and paper 2 topics and the previous year questions or any model questions also can be discussed based on the demand. Next one, the general studies component, general studies geography, disaster management, internal security, ethics, integrity and aptitude, and very important thing, current affairs also will be discussed. So these are all the topics to be based on syllabus decoding and previous year questions and any model questions. Everything based on VS demand. The next very important components are decoding of syllabus and the topics of any subject of any examination and question discussions of previous exams or any model question papers and preparation strategies for competitive examinations. Various examinations have a different kind of a preparation and each and every exam will have their own kind of issues based on candidates. So these issues can be discussed and when we can find some solution for that. And answer writing techniques for optional GS and essay papers. These three important components are having different kind of answer writing methodology. So each and every questions have a different approaches. So these all the things can be discussed by giving model questions and answers. And interview preparation technique, that is a AAA strategy. That is our own methodology with 3 stages can be given to the candidates, those who are demanding for the preparation. And beyond that, general topics on Indian polity, social and economy issues, science and technology are also can be discussed. These can be based on a current affairs and interest of the candidates. UGC NET exam candidate also can use this channel for their preparation. They have a paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is a common paper. Paper 2 is a subject paper. So here paper 1 is something like a civil service examination question paper including research and methodology. And paper 2, here we deal particularly with the geography paper. Okay. So now UGC NET exam candidates, those who are doing masters, they can use this channel for their exam preparation. Not only with the topics whatever discussed, based on the interest of the candidates, any topic they can demand here and we try to post our videos. the questions or the topics, whatever they are asking, everything can be fit into any one of these 4 levels. The levels are beginners, intermediate, masters, and optional, professional, and research. There are 4 levels. The 4 levels will be explained by using the content of earthquake. Here we are decoding a content of earthquake with this 4 level. First we'll start with beginners. The beginners levels will deals with the definitions, elements of earthquake, nature of seismic waves, identification of epicenter, causes, and measuring earthquake. These are the very basic and fundamental topic. This come under beginners level. Once these topics are very clear, they can move on to the intermediate level where we go into the detailed analysis on earthquakes. So intermediate level deals with basis and various classification of earthquakes, factors influencing distribution and distribution of earthquake, and the relationship between plate tectonics and earthquake also discussed here. Further move on, the Pacific Ring of Fire and San Andreas Fault. So these are the concepts also can be detailedly discussed in this intermediate level topics. And earthquake zones, particularly in India, also can be discussed, and earthquake disaster management also come under this intermediate level topic. Now up to this level, UPSC civil service candidates, the GS candidates use this all the topic. Now we move on to the master's level. This come under optional level topics. That is, this deals with more interior analysis component of a questions. Isostasy related to earthquakes, and analysis on various impacts of earthquake. Various impacts. There is an analysis. That's very important component. And the questions, they based on critically analyze, examine, and evaluating a topic also come under the master's and optional level. Once we know the topic, the master's level, then only we can write an answer which talks about critical analysis, examine, and evaluation. And very important thing, current affairs and related issues also come under this master's or optional level. Move on to the last one, professional and research level topics. Here theories and models also will be discussed. Very important thing, case studies on a particular earthquake will be discussed. This is particularly for the people, those who are doing research on the earthquake, can pose their questions and then get into the answer. Here, when a viewer demanding a question, the question will be put into any one of the level, and based on that, videos will be posted. Medium instruction of a videos will be in 2 languages. One is in Tamil or in English. So the viewer who, when demanding a question or a topic, they have to decide in what medium they need their explanation, whether Tamil or in English. Finally, we are Pulse of Geography. We are the first model based IAS Academy in Chennai. We are placed in Anna Nagar. You can contact our institute based by using Telegram and WhatsApp by using this mobile number 9150 857513, and you can contact us in Facebook and Instagram. For our institute previous test questions and other informations, you can go to our page Pulse of Geography in Facebook, and you can read and get into the detail on it. So we are waiting for your message for the topics you need. We will provide a video on our best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to get updated videos.